Hey, what's up? This is Dirt Bike Racer 595, and this is my 2011 bike check. I'm going to start at the front and work my way to the back. First of all, I got the Nathan Williams signature grips, Nathan Williams bar ends. I got Volume Alpha bars. They're awesome, 29 wide. I would highly recommend them. I love them. I got a fly stem. Primo fork bolt. Got We the People headset, just random spacers, I have no idea. Primo strand forks. Eastern burnout tire. 20 times something, I have no idea. Shadow front rim. Shadow Raptor hub, front hub. Alloy spokes. I got Nike sticker. 2009 premium solo frame. I got elcat pedals. Highly recommend them. I love them. They're the best. Got stock cranks. Shadow crank and bone sprocket. Shadow halflink chain. Got a demolition seat clamp. Shadow seat post. Odyssey senior seat. Animal GLH tire. I got a Shadow back rim. Shadow Raptor back hub. I got alloy spokes again. And I think that's it for my bike check. If I'm missing anything, parts will be down in the description. Okay, bye.